Hello everyone, my name is Begum Tokay and I'm from University of Nottingham, Chemical and Environmental Engineering Department. I will talk about origami folding and how it inspired us while solving engineering problems. I'm developing new materials called membranes for environmental applications. These are very thin films, act as barrier materials which can select tiny molecules based on their size. For example, if you have mixture of big and small balls like these, they can separate small balls from the big ones. Let's think about these balls as gas molecules like air and oxygen, so you can actually separate oxygen from air. To be able to separate these molecules from each other, I need huge areas of these materials. For example, I need 2 to 3 football pitches of those materials, and I also need to fit them into small volumes, let's say like this. So what I realized, if I fold them with various patterns, I can actually start from this size and I can squeeze them to be more compact, and I can fit more of these materials into the same volume. And if I change pattern, I can actually get very different shapes, as you can see. So suddenly I have a tube and I can squeeze it as little as possible, and I can fit into the same area volume. So that will increase the area that I need for my application. So if you're interested in, and if you would like to see more, you can watch the origami workshop video and make a snowball cube. You can also have a look at the Origami and Maths video. Enjoy, and bye bye.